Hey guys, Ben with Surveyor coming to you from the Forest River studio. Today we're going to walk through a brand new Grand Surveyor floor plan, 275 FKBS front kitchen with a king bed slide. This floor plan is 32 feet 8 inches from tip to tip and under 7,500 pounds dry. It's got some incredible features. Let's get into it. All right, we are inside the brand new 275 FKBS Grand Surveyor. Let's check out this beautiful front kitchen here. We've got a lot going on. 21-inch oven. We've got the cutting board that will double as the sink cover as well. On this side here, we've got a really nice pantry setup, oversized grab handle. We've got the cargo nets to keep your stuff in during transit. And then we've got a standard 10 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. We've got 400 watts of solar on the roof. All right, let's check out the living and dinette area of this 275 FK. First thing you're gonna see when you walk in the door is this beautiful bar top right off of the booth dinette. In the slide out here, you're gonna have a standard 74-inch theater seat. Tons of windows here, overhead storage. On this side, you've got a really spacious booth dinette. You're gonna see standard USB-C ports to accommodate that bar area. And then you've got a really nice entertainment area right across from your sofa. Standard Furrion Bluetooth soundbar, lots of storage, big windows, just a great overall setup. All right, let's check out the bathroom of this 275 really quickly. Some really nice upgrades in here. Porcelain toilet, motion lighting. You've got an upgraded medicine cabinet with storage behind it. Upgraded shower door, some really nice linen storage, and then a 4-speed high-powered Furrion fan. All right, we are inside the bedroom of this 275 FKBS Grand Surveyor. You've got a really nice setup going on here. Dresser with the built-in fireplace, nice big windows here on the campsite. You've got a dedicated entry to this bedroom, which is really nice. And let's talk about the bed space. You've got a 66 by 80 custom king bed. It is a bed slide, which gives you a lot more room in this bedroom. Ton of storage under the bed as well. You've got reading lights up here that change color. You've got standard blackout roller shades throughout this entire unit. And you've even got some nice end tables on the side there with USB-C ports. And don't forget, on this Grand Surveyor series, you've got standard 50 amp service, which gives you the prep for a second AC if you want to add that later. All right, let's talk about the top features up front here on the Grand Surveyor 275 FKBS. You've got standard power tongue jack. You've got dual propane setup with the cover. You're going to have a standard battery disconnect, and you're going to see the repeater for your tire pressure monitoring system. It's going to monitor heat, tire pressure. If you have a fast or a slow leak, it'll alarm you of that as well, but just a great safety setup here on the 275. All right, let's talk about the top features on the door side of this 275 FKBS. First of all, the cargo area here, you're gonna see standard slam latch cargo doors. On the inside, you've got motion lighting, USB-C port, and the switch for your front cap light. You're gonna see a switch here for your standard electric stabilizer jacks. You're gonna have that on the Grand Series as standard equipment. Let's keep moving here. This is gonna be your main entry with the Lippert solid step. You've got a nice big awning on here that's gonna cover both entries. A couple things you're gonna see by the entryway here. For a limited time, we're doing a 400 watt solar package. You've got a 30 amp controller and inverter prep. We are extended season ready on this model. You've got a 2-inch aluminum floor with block foam insulation, sealed underbelly with forced heat to the underbelly when you're running your furnace, and standard 12-volt heating pads as well. Great extended season setup. We've got standard Goodyear tires as well, Goodyear endurance tires on all these Grand Surveyor floor plans. And then you've got a hot and cold spray port on this unit as well. Great setup right by your outside kitchen setup. This is gonna accommodate that slide-on bracket with the Suburban Elite Series griddle and the prep table. So great outside kitchen setup there under your awning. This is your secondary entry here into the bedroom. Again, Lippert solid step. Let's move to the back and talk about some of those top features. You've got standard spare tire with the cover, standard 2-inch receiver hitch. You've also got rear camera prep and Lippert on-the-go ladder prep that's going to accommodate that telescoping ladder that you can get aftermarket. We've also got a standard tankless on-demand water heater on this Grand Surveyor. All right, thank you for joining me on this walkthrough of the brand new Grand Surveyor 275 FKBS. For more information, you can go to our website at www.forestriverinc.com/surveyor. You can follow us on social media as well. Thanks for joining me.